This year, I was asked to design a birthday gift for the women in my church, the women 18 and older. And I was reminded that a couple years ago, I designed a cute little booklet that I actually have a recording for of my design process. And it is quite the process. It seems like, I start with one thing and then kind of tweak fonts, tweak things until I come up with what I love. And so because I have that, I wanted to show it with you today because I can't show you the one I designed for this year because we want it to be special for all of the wonderful sisters that will get it this year. So maybe next year I'll show you what we designed for this year. And it was just really simple, but something fun and cute, and hopefully our friends just love that they've been thought of. And so today I'm going to show you our cute little journal that we designed with a pen. And I'm sure we saw a cute design on Pinterest or something that someone had the idea and said, Rayla, can you make something like this? And but it wanted to be personal from us. And so we didn't really have an idea of what we wanted to do, but we knew that it wanted to be a journal and a cute pen. And so we found these cute little pens and just have a pentastic birthday. And then these cute journals. And of course, we wrapped them in plastic to keep it, the elements in case it was rainy or anything, if we had to leave these on a doorstep instead of actually seeing someone if they were not home. But it's this little journal, and just designed this cute little quote on here. And it just says, keep loving, keep trying, keep trusting, keep believing, keep growing. Heaven is cheering you on today, tomorrow, and forever. And it's from Jeffrey R. Holland, an awesome, awesome man. And so we had that quote on there. And then really in here is just dot grid paper. I don't know, you could probably see that. So that's what we gave to our sisters. And then we made a cute little card for the back that just, says happy birthday. And so we had that all wrapped together in cute plastic. So I'm going to go ahead and just show you my design process. And it started off just kind of a thought and putting the quote in, and then just continually, massaging it, keep tweaking it until I felt like, yes, this is what I want to design and what we want to give. So let's dive in. So I'm going to open Adobe Illustrator and create a new document, just 8.5 by 11. And I'll set up my rulers, and I like to set them in inches, then I can just kind of envision it as a sheet of paper. And I click and drag on over, and I have these grid lines that help line things up for me. And I just make it so I have quarter page, so 4 sheets per page. And then I'm going to just grab a text box, and I have a little quote that I want to put in here. So I've gone ahead and just copied and pasted that already. And then this is a design. I don't really know what I want it to look like, but I do know that I want it to look really nice. And because it's for birthdays, I want it to be kind of fun, but really pretty. And I don't know. So you're just going to see the design process for me. I just keep continually tweaking. So I'll find a font that I like, and then I might change it several times. We shall see. But right now I'm kind of setting it up the way that I think that I like, and just kind of go around tweaking. And that's kind of the fun part about designing, especially if I'm designing something, just if someone just says design however you want, this is what I want, then I'll just kind of tweak it until I feel like I love it. And so now I'm just looking for a little inspiration. I'm thinking maybe a heart invitation or something. It's for birthdays, but I want it to show love as well. So I thought, I think I'm just going to go ahead and look at cute hearts. Maybe there's something that will speak to me. And I actually like that tan heart. The green one's pretty too. Yeah, you know what? I really like this. So, and it's an AI file, so I can tweak it however I want, which I love those options. When you have a JPEG or a PNG, you can't necessarily pull out the different lines and things. And so I'm going to go ahead and license this, and then I will open it up, save it where I need to so I can find it again. And then, so we have it back in Illustrator, and this is just what the document looks like. See, I can move it around and tweak it, take things off or leave them on, kind of whatever I want to do. So right now I'm messing with colors. I'm just kind of seeing the different options I have. Make the color, maybe the opacity lighter. Still tweak around. Oh, such a cute little butterfly. I think I'm going to try another font. I kind of like these words standing out a little more. So again, just messing with it, just playing around, trying different things. For a little more inspiration. So I know I want something on the front of the little booklet, and I want something on the back. And so now I'm still wondering, do I want to start this on the back? I don't know. So let's go ahead and put it in here and see what I'm thinking. I'm looking for a good happy birthday font, and there's so many cute ones that are already designed. And again, I could actually design on my iPad and write it out. There's lots of options, but a lot of times if I feel like, I just want something already designed, that's when I'll just scroll through Adobe and see, oh, that's cute. Oh, but I think I like this one better. Go ahead and pull this up and around and mess with the color. I'm kind of liking pink. The booklets are like craft paper or like a brown tan color. So I'm thinking the pink might look nice. I'm trying to figure out how I want this to be. So what if happy birthday on the back, the quote, so it's kind of an inside card is what I call it, but we ended up just putting it on the back so people don't have to open the book because we wanted to wrap it in plastic. Because some people would actually leave the birthday gift for them on their doorstep if they weren't home or something, and so we wanted to have it something that if it got wet that it wouldn't get ruined, and so we opted for on the back side of the cards instead of inside like I was originally thinking. Just kind of mess around with the numbers, see how they work. Just putting our information in, lining it all up. Still kind of thinking that was cute. Ooh, I'm kind of liking flowers more. Those are pretty. If I can find something that's an illustration or a vector that I can tweak a little bit. Yeah, let's try this one. Oh, and then let's put my quote. it won't all fit the same way I had it. So now I'm gonna mess with it again. And again, when I'm designing, I'm not thinking like, oh, this is gonna take forever. Or, oh, I'm just thinking, oh, let's try this. How about this? And that's something I've always loved, is just continually moving things around until I find what I want. But a lot of times I'll have a design already in mind from a client that wants something very specific, and then it's actually easier that way for me because I don't have to do as much thinking and trying to decide. It's more of just trying to come up with a design that they'll love within the parameters that they want. So, and okay, yes, trying to have certain words stand out, make it look good. Just kind of messing with those colors. I love those flowers. And I'm actually pulling colors. You see the eyedropper tool. I have a video on that. I'll share with you as well. But where you just use the eyedropper tool to grab different colors and try them out. And I feel like that. I love when things match on any kind of cards or things where you can match it exactly rather than guessing. And it's actually looking really cute. So now I want to make a pen flag because we want to say have a pentastic birthday, and it's a pen with a journal, and it's a cute heart pen. And so I'm just going to go ahead and line it up. And again, these rulers I could just grab from the top. I just click on that little ruler and drag it down, or click on the left ruler and drag it across, and can line things up so much nicer. And there you have it. There's all the little doodads and things. And then here is the booklet all set up beautifully and then wrapped in plastic. I don't think it's a very good picture, but you see we set them all up, and then we would deliver them every month. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you learned something in today's video, maybe more than one thing, and that it'll help inspire you to design something beautiful, something that you love and you would love to share with others. So you have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. I'm sure YouTube is recommending something. So you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.